Good boy.
Hair po ba talaga yun?
Wig po to, wig. Black po talaga ang buhok ko.
Okay.
If I could fall into the sky, cast us by.
Shout out.
Anong pangalan nyo?
Jake.
Bago kita i-shout out, eto muna.
If I could fall into the sky, do you think time?
Ano shout out yun? Walang gayon.
Anong pangalan nyo?
Jomax.
Shoutout kay Jomax.
Into the sky, do you think time?
Lady boy.
Anong lady boy?
Lady boy, no.
Lalaki ako.
I know you.
How long?
How long? How long is your dick?
Around like this.
Damn!
Mukha ka manika. Alam mo yun, te.
Thank you.
Pero liligawan ka nito. Yung tatay ko.
Sige lang. Anong pangalan niya?
Andoy Magnaye.
Ako rin, Andre, pangalan ko eh.
Ano mo ka?
If I could fall, do you think time would pass?
Dahila.
Tawadik ka.
Maalam naman ako magtagalog.
Klaro lang ba? Klaro lang ang mukha namin.
Mm.
Madilim kasi dito.
Gwapo.
Street.
Gwapo daw.
Mm.
Ayan mo na ko.
Pwede
Huwag ka mahiya, gwapo ka naman.
Ate, pwede request?
Ano yun?
Kanta po.
Anong kanta?
Demonyo. Oh, gina mo.
Ayan, demonyo.
Allah. No? Hindi ko kanta.
Anong kanta?
Alipin.
Ko'y alipin mo kahit hindi batid.
Maganda ba ako?
Pwede na.
Kahit lalaki.
Oo.
Gusto niyo yun.
Hello.
Ganda ka, Umi.
Anong vice ganda? Si Barbie ako eh.
Ay, Barbie ko pala. Sorry.
Hmm.
You look like Vice Ganda.
Pwede rin namang vice ganda.
Think time would
Isa pa, last one.
Sabihin mo please, mommy.
Please, mommy.
Good boy.
Ay, pogi.
Ay, ganda.
Ikaw ang nakikita ko sa labas.
Sa White Chicks?
Sa panaginip ko ata. Di ba kayong vlogger, ma'am?
Nagko-cosplay lang.
Okay. Huwag ka magalit naman. Yung book niyo po ba ay through hair po ba talaga yun?
Wig po to, wig. Black po talaga ang buhok ko.
Okay.
Ang ganda naman ng suot mo.
Ito maganda.
Wala. Grabe ka naman.
Ito kaya tatalab sa'yo.
into the sky. Do you think
Masyado ako na-shock, te.
Dito masyasya ka pare.
Yun ang sinasabi ko.
Pakilala mo ako sa kaibigan mo. Anong pangalan niya?
Signal.
Shoutout kay Sainiel.
Diba? Galing.
Ang galing.
Ang galing.
Hello. Cosplay. Hulaan mo kung sino.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako maalam sa ano.
Alam mo yung moving white chicks?
Ano?
Yung moving white chicks.
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo alam?
Hindi ko alam.
Sayang.
Nag-inom ka ba? Baka mamaya yung libo ko, wala akong damit.
Hindi naman. Okay lang yan. Sexy mo nga eh.
Sinusubukan talaga ako ng
Sinusubukan ka ng tadhana.
Inuubos yung pasensya ko.
Ubusin ko lakas mo.
Ay, ano yan? Hindi ko narinig.
Wala.
Tagasan ka?
Ikaw.
QC ikaw.
Pilipinas din.
Aray mo.
Aray mo.
Aray ko.
Are you an adult star?
No.
Oh,
I'm a cosplayer. How dare you?
you're a hustler?
Hustler? What do you mean?
Like a Philippine adult star?
No. I'm a cosplayer.
Oh,
Mm.
nice.
How about you?
I'm just here at home chilling.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for you.
Oh, thank you. You found me.
So what are you wearing? You're wearing a large jacket, huh?
This is my cosplay. Can you guess?
Can I guess what you're wearing?
Yeah.
You're wearing just panties.
No, I have a skirt.
Oh, you have a skirt. Oh, you have a black skirt.
No, pink skirt.
Mm-hmm. And what color are your panties?
I don't wear one. I'm sorry.
If I could fall into the sky.
Are you streaming?
No, not really. I'm just cosplaying.
Oh, cosplay.
Can you guess?
No, I can't.
Do you know the movie White Chicks?
White. Oh, I know. I see white chick. Oh my god, how did you do your breath, your move?
It's a secret.
Oh my god, please teach me.
Why?
I wanna squeeze myself.
What languages do you speak?
Oh, we just speak Myanmar.
Can you teach me some?
Okay, if you wanna say hello in Myanmar, Mingalaba.
Mingalaba.
Yes, Mingalaba.
What about I love you?
I love you. Naningu chide.
Naningu chede.
Yes, great job.
What about curses? Curses like shit, fuck you, somewhere
Oh.
like that. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna say libe.
Liebe, liebe,
Libe, yeah.
liebe. What does it mean?
It's like fuck you.
Liebe. Alright, got it. Hey, if you want to see some pictures like this or this, you can see more if you become a member. I will upload a lot of pictures like that. Also, most of my videos are scheduled. If you want to see it early, you can become a member if you want. It helps the channel grow and it motivates me to continue making these videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much.